Hello guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store. So guys, if you are facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end. So guys, here I will give you some solutions to fix your problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to check your debit or credit card whether it is enabled or disabled for the international transaction. So guys, contact your bank if there are any problem regarding your international transaction. So guys, after this you will have to go for another solution. So guys, the other solution for this problem is that you will have to delete all the previous added payment methods. So guys, open your profile. From here you will have to tap on payment and shipping, and from here you will have to delete all the previous added payment methods. So guys, delete all the previous added payment methods and restart your device, and then again try to add your previous payment method. So guys, add your previous payment method again and then try to fix your problem. So guys, after this, the next solution to this problem is that you will have to correctly enter your country region. So guys, open your profile, and then from here you will have to go to your media and purchases, and from here you will have to correctly enter your country region. So guys, select your current country region and try to fix your problem. So guys, after this, the next solution to this problem is that you will have to check your software update whether it is updated or not. So guys, open settings, tap on software update and check if there is any update for your iPhone. So guys, update your software and then try to fix your problem. So guys, the next solution to fix this problem is that you will have to reset network settings. So guys, open settings, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. Give your passcode here, tap again on reset network settings. So guys, after resetting your network settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, if you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.